Reaching the pinnacle of performance and convenience is no accident. It takes uncompromising attention to detail, superior quality, effortless movement, and graceful design. Introducing the new S8 series canister vacuum from Miele. The ultimate in balance and convenience, the S8 delivers intuitive features, integrated onboard accessories, easily within reach when you need them. A telescopic wand and extra-long cord offer an operating radius of 36 feet. One-touch cable rewind that prevents whiplash during retraction, and a parking system for short breaks or easy storage. Although it's extensively featured and full-size, it's remarkably lightweight, thanks to an innovative skeleton construction. Miele vacuums are renowned for quiet operation, featuring an efficient motor specifically encapsulated to retain noise. This makes it particularly quiet, even at full power. With the air-clean sealed filtration system featuring a HEPA filter, standard on all models, the S8 protects the air your family breathes. There's no guesswork when it comes to changing the multi-layer filter bag. A convenient indicator tells you when the bag is full. An auto-seal closure on the bag snaps shut the moment the bag is removed, providing quick, easy, and hygienic disposal. And every Miele vacuum is tested to last 20 years and is backed by the Good Housekeeping seal, giving you further peace of mind. Bring home the power of exceptional cleaning, mobility, and performance. The S8 from Miele.